So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay declining. So the first thing you should do is download the wallet app since Apple Pay is linked with it, and you can check out the home screen of the wallet app after that by opening the app. Through here you can see your added cards. You can see this box logo as well as the plus logo, which is used for adding a card. You can also exit the wallet app and open up the settings. You can see at the very bottom your apps, and you can see wallet and Apple Pay as one of the features. So just open the wallet and Apple Pay settings. You can see Siri, search, notifications, live activities, Apple Cash if it's enabled or not. So if you're using Apple Cash and it says it's been declined, make sure that you've turned it on through the settings. You can see payment cards that you've added. Double click side button, hide expired passes. You can see express travel card, default card. So if it's declining, maybe you've switched for default card to Apple Cash and you haven't set it up. You can check out your email and phone on this. You can allow payments on Mac, add orders to the wallet, and order notifications. So if you're facing some trouble and some problems, go to the settings and just scroll down all the way to your wallet and Apple Pay settings. It's one of the core apps when you get your iOS device. Through here, you can also check on your card in the information at the top right corner, so you can see card details. Click on that and you can see the app which is used for your electronic banking with the card you've linked, so you can check even on the funds you have on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.